The hustle and bustle in the Repair Ninjaa workshop never ceases. A symphony of clinks and clanks, whirs and hisses fill the air as espresso machines of all shapes and sizes receive their much-needed TLC. Toby, a master of his craft, carefully disassembles a stubborn machine, his deft fingers moving with the precision and finesse of a seasoned virtuoso. A phone rings, piercing the mechanical orchestra. It's a distressed customer on the line, their espresso machine refusing to brew that perfect cup of joe. Sarah, the friendly voice of Repair Ninjaa, reassures them. "No worries," she says. "We've got Toby, our espresso machine maestro, ready to tackle any issue." Back in the workshop, Toby, with the determination of a detective, identifies the culprit. A worn-out pump, the heart of the espresso machine, is failing. With a swift replacement, the machine springs back to life, ready to brew once again. The good news reaches the customer, who, relieved, hurries to the workshop to retrieve their beloved appliance. Their joy is palpable as they see their machine, once sickly and feeble, now robust and ready, thanks to Toby's skilled hands. Toby shares some wisdom with the customer. Regular descaling and cleaning are key. Plus, don't forget to use high-quality coffee beans. It makes a difference. Armed with this newfound knowledge, the customer leaves, their faith in their espresso machine and Repair Ninjaa restored. At Repair Ninjaa, it's never just about fixing a problem. It's about understanding the machine, identifying the issue, and providing a solution. It's about educating customers, giving them the tools to maintain their appliances and prevent future breakdowns. And above all, it's about ensuring that every espresso machine gets a second shot at perfection. This is the Repair Ninjaa way, where every day is a new opportunity to brew solutions.